Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Just Bliss Thorough Happiness. Since it is the month of October and definitely awareness month for dyslexia, welcome to my fourth episode regarding the same. So now you have understood the symptoms, what would be the basic things that you can find it out if a child is having a learning disability or difficulty rather I could say. Then what might be the basic causes of it, because there is no proven cause. It can be one among them. So let's next move on. Now what? When you find it out, your child is definitely facing some kind of difficulty, then how to help it out? Well, in that case, if you have a school counselor or you have a special educator in your child's school, you can approach them. Or when you Google it in your city, you can find it out the places where they provide guidance to the parents. So you can take your child to that place. The experts would perform assessments on your child, and based on the assessments they would generate the report. So once the report is generated, the report generally says the level of severity your child might have and what would be the immediate steps, like the child might require an occupational therapist help, a speech therapist help, and definitely a remedial teacher. Remedial teacher is nothing but a special educator who has been trained to work with the children. It is not just any kind of a tuitions that would be taken by the special educator. They find it out the strengths of the child, and based on the strengths they work on the need. They work from the scratch, from the basic, to develop the basic of the child, what the child has been missing, and they bring up to the child's accurate age level. Definitely the process takes lots of time. The results might not be seen in 3 months also, but once the child gets a click, you might see the child is suddenly performing very well. It works wonders. You can mark my words, I know, but I can assure you, once the things set and the child get a click, definitely you can see the difference where the child was and where the child is going towards. Definitely that would be a drastic improvement when everything sets right, but you need to take it actions on the time. You shouldn't leave it, you shouldn't delay. And because this corona time, the online classes would have definitely affected the child's studies. Even an above average or a toppers would have also affected the child who needs a constant guidance from the teacher. Now the teacher is on that side of the computer and the child is this side, so the connectivity won't be there, so that would definitely be a lagging in the studies. So you need to build up that, you need to push your child, and the child has to be brought out before the child slides into some kind of heaviness or lowering in their self-esteem. So once you approach the appropriate educator, you might need to take 3 days a week or 5 days a week initially, and slowly you can reduce. But those teachers will only work on building the gap, teaching the basics, bringing up the child basic level, and slowly developing their skills. They will not touch the school subjects and concepts immediately. They will work on the needs of the child, right? So you cannot ask those teachers to work on the school subjects like a tuition teachers. No, definitely they are not a tuition teacher. Your child might not even need a tuition teacher. If a special educator is working very well on her concepts, you can help it out. You can inform the school as well that your child is taking up special education remediation, and give some time to your child, but only when you take actions immediately. Because once the child is across 12 and 14 years, it would really become very difficult for any special educator to bring those basic skills, right? I hope this video would have given you the glimpse. On my next, that would be the last video for the month, I would be giving you few tips and activities as a parent you can carry out at your home, and as a teacher you can carry out in a classroom setup also. Stay tuned for my next video. I hope you have gained some knowledge from my videos and you are looking out for your child, whether your child needs a help or not. If that is the thing, then I would definitely like your hit and Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to share my video and definitely hit the bell button so that my more upcoming videos would be more helpful to you. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.